we'll guide you through how to use Claude for Chrome. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Claude. Once you find it, click on Add to Chrome. You'll see a pop-up asking for confirmation, so go ahead and click Add Extension. After it's installed, you'll notice a small Claude icon appearing in the upper right corner of your browser next to the address bar. Click on this icon to open Claude. You'll likely need to sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process. Once you're logged in, you can start using Claude by typing your query or command into the text box that appears. Claude is designed to assist with a wide range of tasks, from answering questions to helping with writing and research. Simply type what you need assistance with and press Enter. Claude will then process your request and provide a response. You can also use Claude to summarize articles or documents. Just copy the text you want summarized, paste it into Claude, and ask it to summarize. Remember, Claude is continuously learning, so the more you use it, the better it gets at understanding and responding to your needs. If you ever want to adjust its settings, you can do this by clicking on the settings icon within the extension. Here you can customize various preferences to enhance your user experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.